remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss and the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like if people don't eat that, it totally stinks!
So here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back?
Hey!
Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.
Going.
Hey, what's all that jingle, jangle? Uh-oh, what are we making today, Crumb Boss? Surprise! Look who's back! It's the producer!
Can't get enough Steph.
No, Steph Raw, that's what it is. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you know that I make cake pops. I made Oreo cookie cake pops, and I also made crumb bun cake pops. That the Crumb Boss dared me that I couldn't make them. Well, I showed her. Boo, okay?
And now she's back in action with her.
And I'm making meatballs right here, Jersey style. No, I'm kidding, okay?
Yeah, what are we making? I have no idea what we're making. She came in today and said, all right, I'm doing a video. I got it. Don't worry. I don't need your help. Let me prep my set.
Got my hair highlighted. Hi,
Yeah,
Al.
big whoop.
Yeah, big whoop. With the whooping pies. No, actually, I'm going to be making beautiful red velvet mixed with the Crumb Boss episode 165 vanilla buttercream, okay, that everybody just loves. And I'm making red velvet cake pops, but they're gonna have a little bit of like Christmas.
Yeah, what's so special about this? We've done red velvet cake pops before. Let's see what you've got.
Because I'm making them, Gretchen.
all right, there you go. That's what's
We didn't
special.
make red velvet cake pops.
I think I did.
No, you made them with all the cake pops.
All right, I don't know what I did.
Well, because this is my video.
I
You
know.
said I could make something,
of course.
you jerk. You said I could make something.
I know, and I want to see what you've got.
Okay, here. I got red velvet. Repeat. Okay? Vanilla buttercream. Use your hands. Oh, wait a minute. Why don't you just use your hand, Gretchen? It got bit by your own cat this week. Why don't you just use that? Okay? How about you like them apples, Gretchen? All right. I'm making meatball cake pops because if you come over here, you'll see that these look like meatballs.
Yes, they do.
But they're red velvet, okay? So I'm going to mix these in. I'm using my hands. I have 2 of them because my cat doesn't eat my hand like your cat does. Okay? Steph, you have no idea. I got bit by a cat. Well, who? My cat. Winklebean is the most friendliest cat in the world.
Yeah, he was being attacked by a stray cat. I tried to break up the fight, grabbed him by the back of the neck. He thought he was being attacked from the back, and then he bit me.
Okay.
It was chaos.
I need a tissue.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
It's the classic Steph rage at 2 minutes on the red velvet cake pop video.
Gretchen, my nose is running. Okay. Okay, don't worry about it. I got it all under control.
Of course you do, because you're the producer.
All right, so I mixed my red velvet repeat cake with with Crumb Boss vanilla buttercream. Okay, I mixed it all together using my hands because your hands are your best tools. Okay, so see, this is what I get down here.
Cat bite.
Okay, Gretchen, stop. This is what I get down here. Please look at this, producer.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good.
It's amazing. It looks like meatballs.
Exactly. Now, what you want to do is
Do you call it gravy or tomato sauce?
tomato sauce.
Yeah, exactly.
What ingredient? Go have some gravy.
That's like
Thanksgiving. My nose is running. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is ladies and gentlemen, what you have to do for red velvet cake pops, you got to put some Crumb Boss gloves back on like this.
Crumb Boss gloves.
Okay, like you're in a hospital. Okay, because then there's people on YouTube that actually think it's a television show, and they're like, you didn't wear gloves. But meanwhile, if you really knew, okay. So anyway, so I'm gonna put my.
I wear gloves while I'm sleeping. I never take my gloves off.
So what you want to do is you got your red velvet and you got your buttercream mixed in like this, and you're gonna roll them into balls. Okay, nice giant jumbo meatballs. All right, and you're gonna put them on the tray. Like so. Just roll them up. You could use a number 100 scooper. These are a little bigger. The red velvet meatball cake pops made by Steph, the producer.
So funny. Yeah.
Okay. And once you just do that and you mix them all up, and then, ladies and gentlemen, you must remember this. Besides your hands being your best tools, besides getting the recipe for the vanilla buttercream, besides making the red velvet cake, once you roll them in balls. Well, mine looks like a rock. Okay. Once you roll them into balls or put them in the thing, you must freeze them. If you don't freeze them, you're going to have cake popped, and that's not a good thing. You do not want cake popped. All right. So because I'm the producer, I already have mine done.
Yes. Wait. What is the title of this video?
And this is after.
When crazy people make cake pops.
When crazy people make cake pops. No, it's not. When Steph, the producer, knows how to knows what's going on. All right. Got red velvet down here. I got something in my eye. Wait a second.
Jeez, you're a mess, man. You should have seen it too. The prepping of this video. I said, go ahead, prep up your video. I'm going to get ready to be.
Because you know what it is. The Crumb Boss is such a smart aleck, and she thinks that the producer doesn't know anything.
I absolutely know. You did absolutely wonderful. What I'm trying to say is there was a trail of red velvet cake from the front door in the bakery all the way to the back door, all over her shoes, just prepping this one video. I was like, oh man, we need to call in the cleaning crew after after Steph the wrecking crew comes in.
Exactly. All right, so let's go back to the content, because content is the key.
That's right, it is.
Remember that Facebookers, YouTubers, content is the key. Here's the content, and I'm the key.
Yes, you are.
So we have our red velvet cake pop, and again, your lollipop sticks, you can get them anywhere, because like I said in my other crumb bun cake pop video, they sell everything anywhere. So just, if you can't find it, just go online and search it, and you'll buy it.
All right.
So what you want to do is you want to dip it in your chocolate like this, okay? And then you want to dip it right into your cake pop, and that's what's going to hold it. See? Oh, look, magic of television.
Unbelievable.
Now I can pick it up, okay? So I'm going to dip it again. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to dip it right in like this. Oh, my cake pops are fabulous, okay? Everything I do is wonderful, okay?
Of course.
Right, Gretchen?
I agree with you.
I'm kidding.
No, I absolutely agree.
You have your own YouTube channel called It's All About Me,
That's right. No, it's not all about me. It's all me.
It's all me, exactly. Yeah. And I have one called Steph the Producer. If you want to.
No, it's called Steph Crumb Boss Producer. That's why I couldn't find your page for so long.
No, it's called Steph the Producer.
No, it's called Steph Crumb Boss Producer. That's why I couldn't find your page for so long, because I kept going Steph the Producer.
All right, somebody's going to yell at me right now because I'm not focusing on the content.
Quit talking so much, would you?
I'm exciting, Gretchen. I'm making my food. All right, and then I'm going to take this over here and I'm going to stick it in just like this.
Okay, I want to see the finishing of this. This is exciting. This is we got this bowl of silver balls here. I want to see what we're going to do.
I'm going to dip it in my chocolate like this. Okay. Ooh, look how cool, melty, melty. And then I'm going to make little Christmas stuff like this.
What are we making? Christmas ornament cake pops.
Hey, my chocolate seems to be really melted. Oh God! What did you do to my chocolate, Gretchen? That's pretty.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Wait, why is the chocolate stuck in there? I'm gonna stick it in here.
Oh my God, these are amazing. Yeah.
Gretchen, what did you do to my cake?
I didn't do anything.
You knew this would happen. You totally knew this would happen.
Because everything Steph, the producer, does is fabulous. Because here's the key. She is fabulous, and here is the key. Come on. They're amazing. Let's see this. Let's see this close up. Wow. Come on.
Gretchen, you knew this would happen.
I didn't touch. Here we go again. I got it. Wait till you see this.
I'm gonna happen.
Gretchen, I'm gonna blow it out of the water. Yeah, it looks like you blew something out of somewhere. It sure looks like you're blowing something. Wow, I would eat that. That's amazing.
Okay, fine. You would eat it? Okay, look. I'm not going to do my little garnish.
This video's going to turn into pie smash any minute.
Yeah, it's going to get bad. You know that the little silver balls...
I had no idea what you were doing.
You melted the chocolate too long.
No, I didn't.
You cheater.
I didn't know you were going to stick your pop right into that. Look at this. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Look at this. It'd take an hour to clean the set after this video.
Listen. My whole idea... What? I emailed Gretchen. I said, can I make something today? I texted her, and she wrote back, you can make whatever you want.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, I'm going to make cake pops or something, right? So I come in, I figured, you know, being that she's the crumb boss, I'm the producer, I shoot it, I produce it, I do whatever I have to do to make her look fabulous, and we do everything together, because we're fabulous people. I come in, prep your own stuff.
No, I didn't. I didn't know what you wanted.
Stephanie.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
I did not say I'm not helping you. I said, go ahead and prep your video. What can I do? Don't worry, I got it.
A red velvet cake pop made by Steph, the producer. Let me taste it.
The stick.
I'm a slob. Let me taste it.
How is it?
Looks good.
All right, everybody. Crumb Boss and Steph, the producer. She's fabulous.
Oh, there's a lot of chocolate. I'm gonna have
is
sugar
the key.